Boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in the additional of today's newspaper on Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, December the 28th, 2023. 3 days to go till end of this year. In this additional, I've already solved 2 puzzles, the 3 stars and 4 stars Sudoku. 2 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And you are interested in this one, yes. The binary puzzle number. Let me zoom this in. Binary puzzle number 7697. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 1's comes an O. Between 2 1's comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 1's comes an O. Then. Well. Double 1, here no, there no. Let me think now. Now you need to think. Now you need to think. Well, we have here 3 1s. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in the first row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. There should be an O. And an O between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between. There's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first O, second O, third O, fourth O. So these 2 boxes should be a 1. Alright, and now 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double 1, here no, there no. Between 2 O's comes from 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are 1s. Double 1, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 O's comes in 1. Double 1, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. Need to think this one, but without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.